Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lesson 19, and today we will be doing more paint stuff. We'll be doing this for a good while, and drawing stuff, and moving stuff, and adding to the scenes, and all different kinds, and just kind of really getting into the drawing aspects and stuff, because drawing to screen is like the best feeling in the world that you could draw and make your stuff move. But today, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do graphics. Graph as usual. Equals E graphics. And, oh, we don't need that. I'm used to C++. Graph dot draw text. Or draw, I think it's draw text. Draw string. So we are going to draw some strings today. So what we're going to do is the Burger Storm Programmer rules. And then we're going to pick a font. And just do font, default font, and brush. Its brush is dot hot pink. And, well, we're not done yet because we need to do a point. New point 50-50. And then we can run this thing. And there we go, the Burger Storm rules. So with that, what we can do is something pretty cool is, my kitty just, but with that, we can definitely, we can render text to the screen without adding labels and anything like that if you just want the text, or you can have scrolling text. So if we decided to do, and with that, basically this is really all that we could do now until we learn a couple more things, and we can come back to drawing and stuff, and then we can make some cool stuff out of it. But for really right now, is a really basic, this is how you do it. You put a default font, and we'll have a lesson on fonts. We have the brushes, hot pink, and our points. So really, that's all really what drawing a string is. Very easy, but it's very powerful if you don't want to use the GUIs that were given to you, like a label or whatnot, and have them specifically there. So with that, this will wrap up this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.